One simple key to profitability in the stock market is having a process. Process orientation means basically you're running the same scans, same process, using the same setup, and you have a well thought out process throughout the day. If you have a process orientation, then over a period of time, you'll become expert in that process. You'll become expert in that setup. And more you run the process, progressively your understanding of the process, understanding of the setup increases, and as a result of that, you can become better and better at finding setups and trading them. Even after finding a setup and entry, it is a process of putting in a stop, moving the stops, taking profit at a particular time, or like moving the stops to a trailing stops. These are all processes, and process orientation is the key to profitability in the long run. Many new traders suffer from lack of process orientation because they're not sure or they're not confident about a setup. Because they're not confident about a setup, they move from one setup to another setup. They constantly change their processes. As a result, they do not develop an expertise. If you can stick to a process for continuously months, you will see that you'll become efficient at it. I basically run three setups during the day. Every day I'm doing the same thing. I look for episodic pivots, I look for momentum burst, whether to the long side or short side, and I look at anticipation. And it's the same thing day in and day out. And as a result, I can get good at doing this and I can develop expertise. So if you want to be profitable, the number one thing which you need to focus on in 2022 is to becoming process orientation.